What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Here we have a 1984 three-wheeler. It's a 200S. I got this thing for 340 bucks. The guy also delivered it to the house, so I think that's a really good deal. So it has a few issues, and as you can tell, both of the rear tires are flat. Front one's still good. So this thing's been standing in the barn for about 10 years. It was running when they parked it. So this is something pretty cool because it's a classic. It was a one owner, and I have all the paperwork laying right there. The title, the receipts when they bought it, you know, everything. They got the registration cards. So I'll go into it and we'll check it out. So this thing has no issues with the engine so far that I know. So let me go rotate the camera so we can check it out closer. So guys, here it is, more focused on the quad now, and I'll get out of the picture. So let's pull it. This thing has compression. So I know the engine's pretty good. So look at the, let's say these rubber boots. I mean, there is no rips in them at all. Most of the ones I've seen in the pictures, they have rips. And this is a 1984. You guys check out the glass on the headlight. It's in perfect condition. And same as this boot. It's not dry rotted, nothing. It's just been standing in the barn. Yeah, the wheels do show sign of rotting and stuff, but that's fine. That's something we can upgrade and make them look even better. And the guy said these are stock tires. I'm not exactly sure because I don't know how the stock tires look. I didn't really look into that yet, but I wouldn't think that they're some upgraded tires or anything. They look stockish. So check it out. I guess this is the decompression right here. Spark plug. Has like surface rust, but that's all polishable. You know, we can clean this all out. My plan is I want to do a little bit of a stockish build. Basically bring it back to life the way it is, clean it up, just make it run and keep it as stock as possible. Also in the rear, the tail light is broken, but the rear tail light I seen online, they're like around 25 bucks. Check it out, the dinky exhaust in the middle. Yeah, this is gonna be a hard ride. It's a solid mount. It's not one of those ATCs, I guess they're called, where the rear they have the swing arm. But anyways, the only issue is when they're unloading it and trying to bring it, created some cracks in the plastic, but overall there is no cracks, no nothing. Look at the gas tank. This is the metal steel gas tank, and look at the paint. I mean, I can probably buff this out and that thing's gonna be, I mean, amazing. The seat has been recovered before, so we'll have to give it some attention and replace it. Probably have to replace the padding underneath because it seems like all missing pieces and stuff. So basically that's the only issue, and it's not even a full crack all the way, so we could probably repair this and make it very unnoticeable. So the plan is to, you know, get it all fixed up. I do want to paint the rims gold, or I mean powder coat them actually, and I was thinking about getting the frame powder coated, but I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do this with all these decals on there and stuff. I might just end up painting it instead of having it powder coated. So here's the year. So it is an ATC 200S, but it's not the one that has the swing arm. The VIN numbers right there, matches all the paperwork and everything. So it's a pretty nice looking three-wheeler, so I'm excited. I rode one back in 1997 or earlier, and I've never rode one again after that. So I was probably around, I'm guessing around 6-7 years old when I drove one. And yeah, check it out. Dude, I just can't get enough of this. I've been looking for something like this for such a long time. I'm so pumped. I just can't express it. I don't know how to explain it. Especially finding something that's with paperwork, that's original, one owner. Everything's original. At least so far it seems like. Look at the intake. The intake has never been removed or replaced. I haven't even looked in there and seen if anything's been changed or if there's a rat's nest in there. But that doesn't matter, you know. We'll fix this. We'll bring this back to life. And it's missing the key pouch, a little toolkit, but I see it online. They sell them for dirt cheap. So, you know, making it stock and having everything that's needed to make it as original as possible from the factory. Has a little pouch in the back. Has some little tow ropes and some junk like that. Some spark plugs and stuff. Anyways, that's, but look at these flaps. Everything's intact. So I'm excited. But the plan after I get it all restored and get it back to factory, the plan is to start modding. And I've seen online where people do some crazy stuff with them. They do exhaust modifications, they do changing high compression pistons, they do port and polish, and they change out the intake, they change out the cam and stuff like that. So I'm excited to be doing all that on this, and I'd like you guys to follow along. So if you have something that you guys know about this stuff, please share, post it in the comments, email me. Yeah, I'd like to hear, and I'm excited. So check it out. This is an original booklet that it came in. So here it is. It's from South Carolina, right here in Easley. So check it out. This is all the books and everything. So it came with this like booklet that explains everything it can do and options and different stuff you can change and add and stuff in different models, and it explains what the purpose of which one was built and stuff like that. One was for farming and one was more for racing, and then just different stuff. Just amazing. This is the one I'd like, the X, the 200X. That thing is super. But then there's other ones. There's a ATC 250R, and that thing is what I'd like. But they have the high performance kits. This is all optional things that you can get and install, which make it super cool. They do sell some kind of speedometer stuff like that. I was thinking that'd be kind of cool to add, but this one didn't come with it. So they have little trailer hitches and stuff, which is pretty neat. And here's the paperwork. I won't really put out any names and stuff that's been purchased and stuff, but bought from Foothills Honda. Here's the registration card and stuff. Look at that. Signed in January 26, 1985. So who's born in those years? Congrats. Anyways, look at this. 1984 owner's manual. Its front page already tore off. It's got a little three-wheeling booklet, understanding how to drift. Oh, and this is the one I was trying to show, I think. No, it's not this one, but in one of these pictures they show you how to drift and stuff like that, which is pretty neat. Like, you don't really see that much, but somewhere in this picture here they show you how to drift sideways, where to lean and stuff like that, how to turn and stuff. But anyways, in later videos I'll show. Oh, here it is. So that's pretty neat, you know, climbing hills and stuff. So yeah, this is all the original stuff, and I'm super excited because I got the title, and yeah, I'm super pumped. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more, because it's coming. So stay tuned.
Yeah.